Hello everyone, welcome to Halsey's Kitchen. We're making some deep fried shrimp, buffalo style. Got the batter made already, and again it is nice and thick. I'm going to put in some habanero hot sauce, which is very hot. I'm going to put quite a bit. That's 1 or 2 teaspoons right there. I think more like 2. Now the shrimp. It's fresh shrimp, it's pre-cooked, thawed it out. Looks pretty good just the way it is. Now there's only one way to do this. That's just to get right in there. Okay, now we're going to drop these in the grease. I'm going to have to wash at least one hand so I can shake the basket. There's another one. That one. This one. They're looking pretty good already. Okay, now we're just going to let these go. And I'll be back. Okay, we're back. These didn't take very long, just needed to brown up. Of course, the shrimp was already cooked. Drain these on some paper here. That one's for the cat. Here, cat, got some food. Okay, now we'll plate this up, except for the one that fell on the floor. Dang, that's hot. Yo. And since these are going to be hot with that habanero, just going to use blue cheese dressing. Rock some black pepper on that. And if it's not hot enough, have some red hot sauce with it. Let's get a good look at these here. That does look pretty good. Let me just cut into one of these here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, definitely looks good. Thanks for tuning in to Halsey's Kitchen. Have a great day.